When you are just getting started in growing your own fruit, your own lemon, your own oranges, when you first get a few lemons, they're very special to you. So today we're going to make something special with these lemons. I'm taking out all the lemons off of this beautiful little Meyer lemon because it's little, it's getting established, and considering that it's only been in the ground for a year and a half, it has produced this many lemons. It's actually already taken 2 off, so it gave me a total of 6, and I can already see new buds coming out, new little fruit setting, and I want to give it a break so it can continue to work its magic and producing even more fruit next season. So I am going to make sure that we take advantage of every single little bit piece of this lemon, because now that we know that it's homegrown, organic, nothing's on top of the skin, nothing, I've been fertilizing this. It's here on my land. We're not putting nothing that's leaching into the land. So these are organic, and I'm excited to go make something. So come with me to the kitchen, and obviously you know probably already what I'm gonna make. And yes, we're gonna make lemonade, but let's make the most amazing lemonade. Let's go. Well, friends, now that these are nice and clean, what we're going to do is basically very gently take some of the skin off. You know, I've always wondered how lemonades look like lemon, like yellow, and I never knew that people actually use the skin to make the lemonade with. So that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to take the skin. Look at that. And it's actually the most amazing yellow. Like when you think about a true yellow, this is the yellow that they are talking about. You see that? Let's continue doing these. Now that now that we're done peeling the lemons, we're going to saturate it with some sugar, and let's let the rimes just basically sit there and hopefully get some color out of it, get some juices out of it. Ooh, it almost looks like candy. Look at that. Let's let that sit. And of course, we are going to juice the lemons. I just recently got this little lemon juicer or orange juicer, and we are going to take advantage of it. All right, let's get this going. I love this machine. I actually have one of the ones where you squeeze down, but I feel like this is just less work. All you have to do is add a little bit of pressure, and look at how clean that is. Do you guys see that? All right. We're down to the last one. So out of 4 lemons, I feel like we're getting just about 300 milligrams, whatever ounces that is. And I feel like that should be enough to do at least a few glasses of lemonade. What I like about this one is that when you release the pressure, it rotates to one side, and then you do like that, then it'll switch to the other side. Look at that. You see that? Literally took all the juice out of there. Let's get some water boiling. I just put some water to boil, and while that's going, I'm just going to bruise these lemon skin with the sugar. to allow it to get some of that flavor out, some of those juices, for it to be just infused with the sugar. I am so super excited about this, guys. Now, if you guys have done lemonade a different way, I am so curious to see how you guys are doing it. What's your techniques? Do you guys let it sit overnight? We're just gonna make a quick lemonade. I do want to do some jam out of the calamansi little oranges or little fruit that I have. There's so many. Someone gave me an amazing recipe, so I'm probably gonna be doing that next. Yeah. I just tried a tiny little piece of this. It does not taste bitter at all. So when you peel it, you're gonna want to make sure that you don't take anything but the skin. That's actually pretty good. I can see myself dehydrating the skin with sugar, making it into a candy. Yum. I think we all have our own reason why we're growing a fruit tree. Some people like me might be because it brings a memory from your childhood or from your family member. For that reason, you might want to grow a fruit tree. Maybe there's a taste you are seeking from your childhood, or maybe you just want to focus on all the health benefits. For example, this lemonade, I am so excited that it's going to be rich in vitamin C. Lemons are great at helping your digestive system, which I love that. It's also known to prevent kidney stones, support your heart health, promote hydration. So if you're not good about drinking water like I am, making this lemonade will help you with that. So I'm really excited to provide that for myself and for my family. I can't make any promises, but my goal is to bring something from the garden into the kitchen so that way my family can enjoy it and we can benefit from it. Hopefully you can come along. Since we're waiting for the limes to boil and get some color out of there and some flavor, we're gonna take some compost out here. I've been collecting this the last few days and it is time to go out because nobody likes what I'm about to show you guys. And the counter, trust me, my husband complains because yeah, I should be taking it out daily, but I don't. We have a whole container full of compost material, including some coffee beans. And I think I'm just gonna use this one. It's been used before, but it doesn't matter. Get all of this in there. It makes me so happy to be able to put all these kitchen scraps back into the earth to feed my garden, because I will be benefiting from that by, as you've seen, harvesting these lemons and being able to make this sweet treat we're working on. If you're anything like me, I love a sweet treat, and with the way the world is coming and going along, especially with our food, it feels so good to be able to make this lemonade with only 3 ingredients, which is the water, the sugar, and the lemon that we harvest together. So not only is it delicious and a nice treat for me and my family, it's actually nutritious and it has a lot of health benefits. As you guys know, lemons have a lot of healthy benefits. The moment of truth, we're going to give this a try. If you only have a few lemons like I did, it's definitely worth making something lasting like this that you and your whole family can enjoy, knowing that you're going to have something organic, fresh, and delicious. That's so good. The only thing I would do different is probably 2 things. Add more sugar, because sweeter the better. And maybe instead of boiling the water, I should have simmered it the whole entire time. And I think the flavor would have been a little bit better. I could taste a little bit of the lemon peel, but it's not a bad flavor. I like it. Maybe I'll have Lily give it a try and she can give you her opinion, or Joe when he gets here because he's almost here from work. But I love it. All right, we're gonna let Lily try this really quick to get her honest opinion. Tell me what you think.
That's good. I like it.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it needed a little bit of sugar.
I think it's good. I like it.
All right, cool. Definitely worth it if you only have a few lemons. Well, for now, that would be it, guys. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love to hear from you guys if you guys have made lemonade this way or if you have a better recipe. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.